Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Let's have a look at question 24. Complete each box with the correct power. So what we have to do is we have to write 48 and 150 as products of prime factors. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, and 5 is a prime number. So let's start with 48. So here we have 48. Now, 48 divided by 3 is equal to 16. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Or you can actually do it another way. You can say that 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. And 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So 48, I'm going to write it over here. 48 is equal to 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 48 is equal to 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And we can write it in short as well. So it will be 3 times 2 to the power of 4 because we have 4 2's. Now let's do the exact same with the number 150. Now 150 divided by 3 is equal to 50. 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. And 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So 150 is equal to 3 times 5 times 5 times 2. And in short, we can write it as 3 times 5 squared times 2. Since we have 1 3, 2 5s, and 1 2. Okay, so now let's see how many 2's do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 2's in total, so I'm going to add a 5 over here. How many 3's do we have? 1, 2. We have 2 3's, so I'm going to add a 2 over here. How many 5's do we have? 1, 2. We have 2 5's, so I'm going to add a 2 over here. So 48 times 150 is equal to 2 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of 2.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.